Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll discuss an important and commonly prescribed antibiotic, Augmentin 625 mg Duo tablet. This is a broad-spectrum antibacterial drug that combines amoxicillin with clavulanic acid to treat infections caused by resistant bacteria. Introduction. Augmentin is a combination antibiotic used when simple penicillins fail. It's particularly useful against bacteria that produce beta-lactamase enzymes, which normally destroy amoxicillin. By combining two agents, Augmentin effectively expands the range of infections that can be treated safely. Each 625 mg tablet contains 500 mg of amoxicillin and 125 mg of clavulanic acid. Amoxicillin provides the antibacterial effect, while clavulanic acid protects it from enzymatic degradation. This is why we call it a synergistic combination. Classification. Pharmacologically, amoxicillin belongs to the beta-lactam, penicillin group of antibiotics. Clavulanic acid is a beta-lactamase inhibitor. Together, they are classified therapeutically as a broad-spectrum antibacterial combination. Mechanism of action. Amoxicillin works by binding to penicillin-binding proteins in the bacterial cell wall, stopping wall synthesis and leading to bacterial death. Clavulanic acid doesn't kill bacteria by itself, instead, it blocks beta-lactamase enzymes, which would otherwise destroy amoxicillin. So, clavulanic acid acts as a bodyguard, protecting amoxicillin and extending its effectiveness. Spectrum of activity. This combination acts on both gram-positive and gram-negative organisms. It's effective against bacteria like Streptococcus, Staphylococcus, except MRSA, E. coli, H. influenzae, and Klebsiella, as well as certain anaerobes. That's why it's considered a broad-spectrum agent. Pharmacokinetics. Both drugs are well absorbed orally, especially after meals. Peak plasma levels occur within 1 hour. They're distributed widely in body fluids, partially metabolized in the liver, and mainly eliminated by the kidneys. Hence, dose adjustment may be required in patients with renal impairment. Indications. Clinically, Augmentin is prescribed for a wide range of infections. Upper respiratory tract infections like sinusitis and otitis media. Lower respiratory infections such as bronchitis and pneumonia. Urinary tract infections. Skin and soft tissue infections, and even dental or bone infections. Dosage and administration. For adults, the usual dose is 625 mg tablet twice daily, taken after meals to reduce gastric irritation. The treatment duration generally ranges from 5 to 7 days but may vary based on infection severity. Remember, completing the full antibiotic course is vital to prevent resistance. Adverse effects. The most common side effects are mild, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and rashes. Rare but serious effects include hypersensitivity reactions like anaphylaxis, liver injury, and pseudomembranous colitis. Advise patients to stop the drug and seek help if severe rash or breathing difficulty occurs. Contraindications. Do not use Augmentin in patients allergic to penicillins or beta-lactam antibiotics. Avoid it in severe liver disorders or a history of cholestatic jaundice with previous Augmentin use. Also, in infectious mononucleosis, it may cause a characteristic rash, so it's best avoided. Drug interactions. Augmentin can interact with several drugs. With warfarin, it may increase bleeding tendency. With methotrexate, toxicity risk rises. When combined with allopurinol, rash is more common. It can also slightly reduce the effectiveness of oral contraceptives, so an alternate method is advised. Precautions. Always counsel patients to take Augmentin after food and to finish the full course. In renal or hepatic impairment, dosage modification may be needed. Encourage adequate hydration and consider probiotics to prevent antibiotic-associated diarrhea. Alcohol should be avoided to prevent stomach irritation. Storage and stability. Store Augmentin tablets in a cool, dry place below 25 degrees Celsius, away from direct sunlight and moisture. Keep it out of children's reach. Improper storage may degrade the clavulanic acid component. Brand names. Augmentin 625 Duo is the original brand from GSK. Many generics exist: Clavum 625 from Alkem, Moxikine CV 625 from Mankind, and Amoxiclav 625 from Abbott. All contain the same combination and strength. Summary table. In summary, Augmentin 625 Duo is a broad-spectrum penicillin that combines amoxicillin and clavulanic acid. It's effective against beta-lactamase-producing organisms, generally well tolerated, but must be used rationally to prevent resistance. Case example. Let's take an example. A 35-year-old man with sinusitis was not responding to plain amoxicillin. Culture showed beta-lactamase-producing Haemophilus influenzae. He was switched to Augmentin 625 Duo twice daily for a week and improved within 3 days. This shows how clavulanic acid restores the drug's efficacy. Conclusion. To conclude, Augmentin 625 Duo is a powerful, versatile antibiotic for mixed and resistant bacterial infections. However, its use should always follow medical advice. Rational and responsible antibiotic use is the key to maintaining effectiveness for future generations. Thank you. Thank you for your attention. I hope this session helped you understand the composition, mechanism, and rational use of Augmentin 625 Duo.